Base size is the size of a cap of a hair system, and this is the very first thing to take into consideration when customizing a hair system, as no one would like a hair piece that does not fit in the hair loss area on their scalp. Hair loss is mostly a gradual process starting with the conditions like a receding front hairline or a hair thinning around the top or in the crown area. So if you happen to notice that you are in the early phase of a hair loss with a high front hairline than before or a relatively small bald spot on the top, then selecting a partial hairpiece or frontal as your base size will be the right thing to do as long as your total hair loss area is showing to be less than 16 square inches. However, as time goes by, your hair loss area tends to expand on another level with a significantly bad look. In that case, a topper size between 16 and 80 square inches or 4 by 4 inches or 8 by 10 inches would be the perfect match, which is also the very most common size range among hair system wearers. In case your hair loss area has reached the temple and the nape area, then a size larger than 8 by 10 inches and smaller than 10 by 10 inches, referred as an oversize, must be chosen to seamlessly cover the total hair loss area. Lastly, it comes the full cap size exceeding 10 by 10 inches, which is exclusively tailored for the hair loss population with a completely bad look, and those who prefer a total coverage of the scalp. This full cap hair system covered the entire head, and most of the times even includes sideburns and nape areas. To conclude, choosing the right size when customizing your hair system according to your own hair loss size is essential to gaining that natural full hair look that you've been longing for.